Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Allah. This is Sabrina Islam, Assistant Teacher, Bogura Cantonment Public School and College. Today I am going to take your class on a lesson from English for Today, recommended for class 9. Before going to the lesson, I want to show you some pictures and I hope these pictures will help you to find out the topic of today's lesson. So, let's see the pictures. This is the number 1 picture, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and the last one. In these pictures, we can see that some workers are working hard in different fields. Let's see some more pictures. Okay, I hope it becomes easier to you to guess the topic. Yes, today we are going to take your lesson on May Day. This is from Unit 3, Lesson 2. Before going through the passage, we are going to find out the new words and their meaning. The first one is commemorate. That means recall or show respect for someone or something. Urge. It means a strong desire or impulse, or try earnestly to do something. Struggle, fight, or to make forceful efforts to get free of restraint. Club, weapons. So, to know more about May Day, we are going to read out the passage. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifice of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. On May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvester Company in Chicago went on strike demanding an 8-hour workday. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvester Company and about 6,000 workers has joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They urged the workers to stand together, to go on their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. Just at this moment, some strikers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly, 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many of them were badly injured. The event of May 1st, 1886 is a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. Now we will choose the best answer from the alternatives. Question 1. What does the expression to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people in the line 2 mean? Option A. To publish the effort of the working class people. B. To despite the effort of the working class people. C. To remember and honor the effort of the working class people. And D. To dramatize the effort of the working class people. And the answer is to remember and honor the effort of the working class people. Question number 2. Which of the following best describes the similarity between 18th and 19th century in Europe? The option A, Industrial Revolution, B, French Revolution, C, Romantic period, D, Industrialization. And the answer is Industrial Revolution. Question number 3. Which of the following word describes the program taken by the workers? The options are A, Hartal, B, Procession, C, Strike, D, March. And the answer is C, Strike. Question number 4. Which of the following statement is true about the labor leader? Option A. They urged the workers to stand together. B. They urged the workers to go on with their struggle. C. They urged the worker not to give in to their bosses. And D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Question number 5. The workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift. What period of time the long shift referred to? A. 8 hours a day. Option B. 6 hours a day. Option C. 14 or more hours a day. Option D. 10 hours a day. And the answer is 14 or more hours a day. Question number 6. The word exploit mentioned in the passage means A. Blackmail, B. Entrap, C. Trouble, D. Usar. And the answer is Usar. Question number 7. The word gain can be replaced by option A. Accomplish, B. Perform, C. Claim, and D. Obtain. And the answer is D. Obtain. Now we will discuss on some open-ended question. Question number 1. From your reading of the first paragraph, give the reasons why May Day is a public holiday all over the world. The answer is May Day is a public holiday all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. Question number B. When did the Industrial Revolution take place in Europe and the US? How long did the workers have to work since then? The answer is the Industrial Revolution took place in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US. The workers in mills and factories had to work for 14 or even more hours a day. Question number C. Why did the striker go down the street? The answer is the labor leaders urged the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. But some strikebreakers started leaving the meeting place. That's why the striker went down the street to bring them back. Question number D. Describe the result of the attack of the policemen on the workers. The answer is when the policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers, one striker was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded and many of them were badly injured. The last question. Do you support the view that May Day is an inspiration for the workers around the globe? Give reason for your answer. The answer is yes. I support the view that May Day is an inspiration for the workers around the globe. This day helps us to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. This day is also a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay, and better lives. So here comes the time for your homework. In page number 41, there is a column matching and answer to some questions. They are your homework. Okay, you guys? See you later. Thank you for staying with me. Allah Hafiz.